These are the gears of the M9 servo motor. To how to fix, I will show you. This is the gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, gear 4. You can see all gears. This smallest, that's little big, then more big, then more big. And here also you can see the size moving the top part. So now I will fix it. So this you can see easily. I will fix here. Okay, so first one, it will go, it is, you can see here, this hole is very small, so it will go to the this shaft, which is very less thickness, and it is attaching with the motor. Second gear, little big, you can see here, bigger than the first one. It will go to the, it is having big hole, it will go to the potentiometer shaft. This will second gear, potentiometer shaft. Third one, again this slightly more bigger, it will go to the motor shaft. Its hole also very small, this shaft it will go. Last one, it will go to the again potentiometer shaft. And here you can see, if I make it clear, this shaft having one cut here, same cut you will found in the gear backside. So you need to match the cut. So when you match the cut, then you can fix it. Now this is complete. Now I will fix the cover, and I will put the cover which is top side having cut. So you can see I will use it like this. Now it is fixed. Easily I will use it. Try. And this is the back side, which I already explained you. So it will fix like this. You can see here. So you will fix like this one here. You can see this wire, 3 wires on the top side, and it is like this. It will come here. If you put insert inside, then it will touch the potentiometer, then it will short circuit will happen. So you will burn like this. Then you can close. Now it is fixed. Here you can see the cable side there is cut, so it will fix in the cut. Now you can tight the screws. So it was having 4 screw from the back side. So this is the gears and 4 screw back side. We will tight it. Okay, it is finished tight. Now I will check it. I have the code for the potentiometer and servo on Arduino Uno, so I will test that one. Okay, it is fixed. Now attach this lever also having cut, and then this having 3 wires. Can see here 3 wires. So center one is positive, and one yellow and one green, and here different. Okay, green will go to the ground of the Uno. Okay, green I will attach with the ground. Here Uno, here 3.3 volt, here is the ground. Okay, attached. Then yellow I will attach with the 9. Pin 9 is the 9 in the Uno. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8 and 9. After the cut, second pin is 9. And other side is potentiometer, also having 3 wires. Okay, and the connection is like that. One is go to the positive, one negative, and one is going to the here A0 analog 0. I will attach here 0. Now I will connect the power supply from the computer. Attach, on. Now I will show you the gear. Here lock is here. So that is locking it. When it is rotate after 120 degree, it is locking it. Oh, you can see all the gear movements. Potentiometer. It is very easy to upload the sketch on Arduino Uno. Just open your application. After opening the application, one communication port that is showing unknown because my board is not connected. Now I will connect the board. Now you will see another port will appear. Board is selected. Now here 2 ports. Communication port 6. Here now you need to select the Arduino. I have using Arduino Uno. Select Arduino Uno. Okay. Now here you can see Arduino Uno is selected here. Also in the right corner, Arduino Uno on communication port 6. It is showing here. Then after that, go to the sketch. Go to the file, examples. Here you will find the servo, and go to the knob. Now here this new sketch will open. Here you can see my servo, it is included here, library. This port pin is connected to A0 and my servo is connected to pin number 9. So it is connected to pin number 9. Just from here, upload, compiling sketch, done compiling. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Uploading done, no values. After that one, you can